Since I was 4 years old, on every birthday, Christmas and Diwali, when my parents asked me what I wanted, I would only say one line: get me a dog or nothing. On my 16th birthday, my parents asked me what I wanted again, and I repeated the sentence I'd been repeating throughout the years: I want a dog or nothing. And then they actually got me nothing. Fast forward to 22 days later, I got surprised with the best thing that's ever happened to me: my dog Nugget. Whenever I'm stressed or feeling sad or low, the mere presence of Nugget just makes me feel better about myself. I feel stress-free, my mood is lifted. But I didn't understand why. Dogs can't offer you words of comfort or hug you, or they can't organically do anything that humans should do to make other humans feel better. So I asked myself a question: why and how do dogs make humans feel better? Scientifically, a small interaction with a dog releases the hormone called oxytocin, which is a cuddle hormone in your body. Oxytocin increases feelings of relaxation, trust, and empathy while reducing stress. This answers how and why dogs make us feel better. Now a little back history into our journey with dogs. Now a little back history into our relationship with dogs. Our journey began some 13,000 years back. It started with a pack of wolves following a group of humans just to eat the scraps that the humans left behind. Soon the friendlier wolves started interacting with the humans, and this interaction led to the mating between two friendly wolves, which got us dogs. Dogs are the only animal that can abstractly think, which means if you point at something, they will look at it and go there, and if you command something, they will do it. Recently, a study conducted in Hungary revealed that dogs process language like humans, unlike wolves, which means that humans have had an adverse effect on dogs as well. Humans and dogs have shared the longest relationship. Humans have shared a longer relationship with dogs than they have with any domesticated animal, and one can say that humans and dogs have evolved together. Dogs understand communication, emotional expressions, and they can store memory. They can recognize a person even with a picture. This just proves that dogs truly are a human's best friend. American Heart Association in their study revealed that owning a pet, mainly a dog, lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease. Owning a dog decreases your chances of getting a heart attack, lowers your blood pressure and your cholesterol level, and helps you lead a stress-free life. Now to deal with mental health, an alternative therapy has come up which is called an animal-assisted therapy. This therapy pairs dogs with humans who have mental disorders and mental disabilities. These dogs help these individuals go through their daily routine and fight their inner demons. The Canine for Warriors unit, which is a non-profit unit based in California, pairs dogs with military veterans. These military veterans have served their country mightily and have gone through so much in serving their country. They have suffered both mental and physical injuries. Dogs help these veterans adjust to civilian life, deal with PTSD, and progress physiologically and psychologically. In conclusion, I would like to say that the mere presence of dogs improves your mental and physical health, which answers how and why dogs improve our lives just by being present. In the last 4 months that I spent with my dog, I have learned more about happiness and love than I have learned in the last 16 years. Sometimes love and happiness just isn't grand gestures, words, or materialistic things. It can just be happiness trapped in a tiny soul which has a wagging tail and a wet nose. Thank you.